Hey, how are you? Once again, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Well, it's been a while since I shot a video, but I'm now back, and I hope wherever you're watching from, you're having a great time. I hope all is well. The Lord is keeping you safe, and thank you for taking time to be with me. Let me know how many of you guys are on WhatsApp, and again, how many are in WhatsApp groups? Of course, I know we are many. And how many of you have been added to WhatsApp groups that you never ever requested to be added? Or some you've been added and you don't even know the guys or the group members in there. All you see is the notification, you've been added to a WhatsApp group of whatever, farmers or techies or which group of which village. Many WhatsApp groups. You find guys are in 30, 40 WhatsApp groups, and 20 of those they are not aware, or no one ever consulted them. Why did I choose to talk about this topic? By the way, my name is Dickson Mushabe, the headmaster, and I'm glad that you're here. If you're new, the best thing to do is to subscribe, and let's do this thing together. Let's grow together. Let's sharpen each other in all ways, in business, from startup to growth, in family, raising children, loving our wives, caring for them, raising families. That's what we talk about on this channel. So if you're new, please subscribe, and let's talk it over. So I've received many requests, or even many questions, guys asking me, Dickson, is there a way I can leave the WhatsApp group without guys knowing that I've left? It's not one, it's not two, it's not three, it's not four. Many people have asked me, Dickson, is there a way I can leave the WhatsApp group without guys knowing that I've left? Because you know how WhatsApp shows everyone that Dickson Mushabe has left the group. Of course, it sounds to some people, or to most people, it sounds a bit rude, and you're actually afraid of what guys are going to say when you've left the group. So by virtue of the fact that guys are asking me if there is a way of leaving a WhatsApp group without the other members of the groups knowing, it means people are trapped in those groups and they don't want to be seen to leave those groups. I'm sure you can relate. I've been a culprit. I've been added to a group I do not know about before. But I have good news for you today. Very, very, very good news for you today. Now, the good news I have for you is that there's an innovation that WhatsApp has brought. I thank God for technology, that now you'll no longer be added in a WhatsApp group just like that without you accepting. And I'll give you steps on how you can do that right on your phone. But before I go there, let me talk to the guys, us who add other people in groups without their consent. One, I can mention that it's disrespectful for you to add someone in a WhatsApp group without their consent. Get it from me that if you add me to a WhatsApp group without informing me, I would feel disrespected. I would feel like you've exposed me. I would feel like you've put me in a group of 30, 50 other guys without my consent. I don't know if there is a law, for some of us or some of you guys would be sued. but going off that, before you add someone in a group, seek their consent. Some people feel offended when you add them in WhatsApp groups without their consent. So how about you first ask Dickson, can I add you in a group? If I say no, then you don't add me in a group. As simple as that. So point number 1, don't add guys in a WhatsApp group without their consent. That is 1. Do not add anyone in your WhatsApp group without their consent. I want to thank you so much. Now, once you've been added into a group as a member, it's very important that you if you're new to the group, that you first and foremost look for the rules of that group, so that you don't feel out of place by posting things which don't pertain that group. There are groups of local contractors, there are groups of construction, groups of farmers, groups of bees, bee farming, there are groups of programmers. Now, if you just go into a group of farmers or of bee farming, for example, and start posting furniture and start posting irrelevant things, then you become out of place. So how about you first learn what happens in that group, the rules, the do's and don'ts of the group. And by the group admins, always remind people about the rules in that the rules of those groups. Now, and when you know what that group is about, that means you will not forward things or videos which are not in line with that group. And please, by the way, why forward videos? The videos you're forwarding, that's my point number 2. Do not forward videos to groups anyhow. No one is interested, and there is no prize for the best forwarder of videos. People are in 3, 4, 5, 10 groups. They've seen your videos already, the ones that you're posting. So save us, save yourself the embarrassment, and save your MBs, and save the MBs of the people who will be downloading. And maybe my point number 3 is, I would suggest that as you're forwarding a video, if you think it's useful to the group, give a small description of what the video is about, and tell us, by the way, this video is about ABC, so that it's downloaded by only those who are interested in what you forwarded. It's so bad to download a video of 20 MBs because someone who sent in the group, it looks presentable, only to download it and you find it's none of your business. You don't need it. So please save our MBs. Save our MBs, and again, save us from downloading things which we do not need. A small description of the video. Well, that's if you really feel you should forward the video. A small description of the video, and just a brief about it, and forward it to the group. That's if you should really forward it, because like I've told you, there is no prize for the best forwarder of many videos, of many videos in the groups. Now, let me talk about the wedding groups, the wedding groups, the fundraising groups. Yes, I know, we know where you're going to wed, and we thank God that you're going to wed, but man, adding 50 guys or 100 guys in your group and 30 leave is actually it might cause you to into a depression when you go into your function. Because when 5, 3, 4 guys leave, everyone thinks, oh man, there must be something wrong with this group. That's because you've not informed people about the reason, or even you've not sought their consent for adding them to your groups. Now, the innovation that WhatsApp has brought. So it's what I want to talk to you about, so that no one will ever again add you into a WhatsApp group without your consent. How does that sound? Yeah? How does it sound for someone to add you in a WhatsApp group and they first wait for you to consent that addition to the WhatsApp group? Now, I'll take you through that innovation that WhatsApp has brought, and I want you to live free. I want you to have freedom, for God's sake. Now, go to your WhatsApp right now. Open your WhatsApp like this. There are three lines on your top right hand corner. Top right hand corner has 3 lines. Click on them. Then scroll down to settings. Settings. Are you there? Okay. Click on account. Account has other small words: privacy, security, and groups. But click on account. Now, when you click on account, are you there? Okay. Now you're going to go down to groups. When you click on groups, you're going to see there are other tabs there, but I want you to go down and see and click on who can add me to groups. You see? Now, on who can add me to groups, you're going to see everyone. When you select everyone, it means everyone can add you to a group. And I'm sure you do not want that. I've been added to very many groups. I don't want that. I don't think you either want that. Now, who can add me to groups is everyone. Don't click that. My contacts. Now, if you click my contacts, there's a button there, my contacts. It means the people who are saved in your phone can add you to groups, which is not what you want. Now, there's the last one which says my contacts except the really last one. Click on that. My contacts except. So now when you click on my contacts except, it will take you to another window which has all your contacts. That means you're selecting that people in my contacts except these should add me to your WhatsApp group. So how does that work? Again, in the top right hand corner there is sort of a tick. When you select that, you've selected all of them. That means people in your contacts except these guys. So select all of them. Are we there? Okay. There's everyone, my contacts except. So when you click on my contacts except, it's going to take you to another window. Another window is going to bring on the top right hand corner is a tick. You select all. That means everyone in the contacts except all the guys you've selected. And down below you'll see a green tick. Click that green tick. That means that everyone in your contacts can add you into a WhatsApp group except all the guys you've selected. So that means all the guys you've selected in your contact book will never add you directly into your WhatsApp group. What does that mean? The next time they want to add you in a group, you will receive a notification saying Dickson Mushabe wants to add you in his WhatsApp, in this WhatsApp group of this with the group title. Please click here to accept. Who is the boss? Who is the boss? Who is the boss? You are the boss. You either have to decide whether to go into this group or not. So, my dear friends, oh, by the way, just in case you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. There's another bell for notifications. Hit it so that every time there's a new thing from this channel, you'll be the first guy to know. You'll be the first guy to know. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But anyway, and that aside, I'm just empowering you not to be added to any WhatsApp group without your consent. So I'm giving you power as the owner of your phone and the owner of your WhatsApp, not to be added by any person in a group without your consent. Okay. So you've I'm sure you've gotten it, but I can quickly repeat it. Go to your WhatsApp. Quickly go to your WhatsApp. Go to settings, account, privacy, security. Go to groups. Click on who can add me to groups. Then you select my contacts. Accept. Select all the guys in your group, and voila, you'll be the boss. Once again, after making you the boss, and after you've subscribed, after you've shared the videos, what else? I think I'll say bye bye, and maybe God willing, the next video will be about how to leave a WhatsApp group without other members not being notified or knowing. I know you want that. I know you want it, and stay tuned for one of my next videos. I'll make sure I tackle that. Thank you so much, and if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments area. If you have any words of encouragement, this is a new channel. I'm new to WhatsApp. I'm new to YouTube. If you have any encouragement, if you have anything you want to tell me, if you have any comment you want to drop it, if you have any question which we can discuss in the next video, please drop it in the comments box, and let's do this together. The bigger, the merrier, and the better. God bless you. And this is Dickson Mushabe, Headmaster, signing out. Bye bye.